All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, December 12th. We have about 3 minutes till market open. So yesterday's what are they called? Yesterday's structure plays, they didn't pan out because we had that bullish momentum and we were trading next to or near the all-time high. So I really don't like trading around the all-time high, but for each of my strategies, like so long as something is valid, like I just take it, and that's how you build metrics and kind of see what you can change or adapt to in the future. So even for today, we're trading, the all-time high is literally up here. But today it looks like we are going for a buy for the intraday market open. And I feel pretty good about it because it is a Friday. We are around the all-time highs, and typically in the past, for Fridays and near the all-time highs, price keeps creating like a new all-time high. So we'll see if today is one of those days. Um, so we're about to get into market open. Let's make sure everything is set right. Um, so market opens in about 2 minutes. So this is also a buy here. Um, this is 810. Right. Mm, excuse me. Actually, wait. The intraday entry is for a sell, so it is not for a yeah, I'm sorry. It's for a sell. Uh, actually, yeah. Let me correct this. Cancel, sell. All right, so we're about to have that market open in about 15 seconds. All right, so excuse me. Um, all right, so let's see. So the intraday market open entry here. All right, so there we go. And the scalp hit TP for 1:3. Oh, it did hit TP on my end. We do have the intraday that's running here. We do have a, see if we have any demand zone here. No. So we do not have a demand zone around that. All right, so full TP on the market open scalp there. And see how the rest goes. I'm not too, we'll see if this will end up pushing, but I think we're gonna come back up again and create a new all-time high. And also given that it's a Friday, but hopefully we can dip down here. Also, if price gets here, so let me see. This is crosses entry. Let's see. So the crosses entry. Let's see here. All right. So Right, so we just have this back and forth range. So hopefully we get a push in whichever direction, but hopefully we can keep that continuation back down to the downside. And actually here we did have an area of structure intersection between these two candles. Missed it. I didn't even think about that. Let's see, this one would have already hit. Let's see if it hasn't hit, I'll enter this trade on my other account for this one's. Excuse me. Yeah, it hasn't hit. If price comes down here again, yeah, this is an area of structure based off of intersection between let's see. Intersection between these candles. 50 points from here is 700.1. So let's see, 7. If price comes back down here, I'll try to get in for a structure play, and I will set an alert here. Don't know how I missed that. 5700.0. Yeah, I don't even know if we're gonna get that play. All right, we do have an SAR entry here. You see that structure play? Man, this is 834. Yeah. Yeah, I missed up on that structure play. Here we do have a sell opportunity. So let's see if we get it. If we get a red X, I'll be looking to take a sell opportunity based off of this 30-minute SAR. Man, let's see. 34. I'll shoot for this one. So for this hourly, 57, 67. This daily intraday may get taken out, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this one. It's a little too big. That candle is too big, and also it didn't get 10 points past this 856, 866. Yeah. Yep. And then it would have lost if we had taken that. So no entry here. And there goes that structure play. It would have been pushing up. So yeah, I've missed to look at that before market open because we did have this wick right here. And remember, we look at 2 weeks. So we had this week, and then we had this week right here before market open. So where they intersect, and then you go ahead and set a pending order there. And also we're expecting, as much as the intraday play was for a sell, we're expecting price to push up because that's what it does. Like especially on Friday around the all-time high, typically it just pushes up or continues creating a new all-time high. All right. I'm not sure if this position will survive. It came pretty close to being stopped out. So we'll see. And actually, if price keeps doing this, let's see, so 952, depending on how this hourly candle closes, there is another area of structure here. The intersection would be here. So depending on how this hourly candle closes, we might still have an area of bearish structure. But again, would be trading around the all-time high, which just opens up a lot of manipulation. Right, so we're about to close the hourly candle. Excuse me. So it is very possible that this will be the high of the hourly candle, in which case it would provide for bearish structure here. But given that it's a Friday, given that you have a potential buy and then a potential sell up here, in such a short window, it's just a lot of back and forth. And this intraday market trade is still running, but we'll see how that goes. But I really don't see anything else to stay on the call for. So this will be it for today's session. And I'll see you guys back next week. Have a good rest of your weekend. Talk to you next week. All right, guys. Peace.